Error 0x80004005. When copying files, this is a permission issue. Fix takes 2 minutes. You're dragging a file into a folder. Windows blocks it with there. You're logged in as admin, but it still won't let you. Maybe you're copying to a network drive or a protected folder like System32. This is it. I've fixed this across hundreds of machines. It's almost always ownership, not permissions. Right-click the folder you're copying into. Hit Properties, Security, click Advanced. Next to Owner, click Change. Type your username and hit Check Names. Windows will auto-complete it. Click OK. Check the box that says Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Hit Apply, then OK. Close everything out. Now try the copy again. If that didn't work, you might not have full control yet. Go back to Properties, Security tab, and click Edit. Find your username, check the box for full control, apply, OK. Still blocked? Open Command Prompt as admin. Search CMD, right-click, run it as administrator. Run these two commands, DISM online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. After that one, run SFC/scannow. These scans take a few minutes. Restart your PC after both finish, then try the copy again. One more thing. If you're copying to a network drive and you're working remotely, you may need to connect to your company VPN first. That error looks identical, but it's just Windows losing access to the drive. Connect your VPN, remap the drive if needed, and try again. Don't worry, none of this will break anything. You're just telling Windows you're allowed to touch your own files. Drag that file over again. If it copies without the error, you're good. You just fixed it yourself. Subscribe so the next person finds this too. If it's still not working, drop a comment, I'll help you out.